Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Luisa. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much. Today we are going to make flaxseed gel. This going to need cut a cup of flaxseed gel. I got my flaxseed gel on Taobao, and also close to 2 cups of water. So turn on the stove and let it boil. You want to keep moving it so that it won't burn. You let it boil until you get that consistency, you know, not so solid and also not so liquid. And when you get that consistency, to separate the gel from the seed. This is the method that I'm using to separate the gel from the seed. It was actually pretty easier this way. When you separate the gel from the seed, you need to be patient, you know. It takes a little bit of time. And this is our flaxseed gel. It's ready. So I added some drops of vitamin E. You don't really have to do it, but I did. I added some drop of vitamin E. And also I added some drop of rosemary essence oil, you know, so that it gives it an extra smell. And then you give it a little mix, you know, mix it. And yeah, our flaxseed gel is ready. You can transfer the gel to a container. If you have a glass container, I advise you to use. For me, I didn't have a glass container, that's why I'm using this plastic container. And you can keep the gel in the refrigerator. It can stay for 1 month if you keep it in the refrigerator. Okay, so there is our flaxseed gel. It's ready. This is actually the second time that I'm doing this recipe. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button, and I see you guys in my next video.